Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When we put number 0 on here we have number 2. If we put number 0 on here and here, we have number 0 in here. That means we have number 2 divided by number 0. Now we just consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So on the left, as approach to number 0 on the left, so this one and this one, we can see that this one is smaller than this one because number 0 is negative in here. So 1 minus the number you got smaller than 1 minus with minus. This one you got positive. So this one you got negative. This one you got positive. So this one is bigger than this one. So you got negative numbers in here. So number 2, that is about positive in here. Number 2 divided by negative number, we have negative. And this one we have approach nearly number 0 in here. So number divided by number 0, we have infinity. So for this one, if we put number 0 on here on the right, so this one is bigger than this one in here. So you got positive number. This one we have number 2. Number 2 divided by positive number, we have positive because this one goes to number 0 in here. So we have infinity. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.